the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. Staring at the bottom of your glass, hoping one day you'll make a dream last. But dreams come slow and they go so fast. You see it when you close your eyes, and maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Staring at the ceiling in the dark, same old empty feeling in your heart. 'Cause love comes slow and it goes so fast. You see it when you fall asleep, but never touch it, never too deep. 'Cause you loved her too much and you dive too deep. When you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. And you let her go. And you let her go. When you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. 'Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go.
Well done, Keris. Well done, girl. Louise, what did you think?
Keris, I was a bit surprised by your song choice because obviously when in your lesson earlier in the week we were practicing something else. But, you know, Kelly did say that your voice was a bit tired after singing all week. So I do understand because it was a tricky song choice that we were originally doing. It was a nice vocal. And, it, you know, Let Her Go is one of those songs that with a voice like yours, you can make it sound quite unique. So it was a nice vocal, but I definitely know you can do better. So I really want you to start exploring song choices, you know, kind of obscure ones, but also mainstream ones as well, because you can turn your voice to almost anything. You know, you're so unique. Any song will sound like your song rather than a cover. So I really want you to explore song choices, because I know, you know, when you have a lesson with me, the first half an hour is spent trying to figure out what song you're going to do. So really look into song choices, different genres, you know, things that you can do well, and just try and prepare a little bit more. But considering, you know, you weren't 100%, I thought it was a lovely performance, lovely vocal. Well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, you could tell that your voice wasn't as strong as it is normally. You could tell that you sort of like overused it this week. But it was a lovely performance. It was a lovely vocal. I think you've got one of those voices where, like I said to you, is quite emotional anyway. So you can sort of like put your voice to anything and make it sound, you know, you can give it meaning. I think you put so much pressure on yourself to sort of like please other people. You feel like you're not doing things that you should be doing. I need you to stop questioning yourself. There's no doubt that you've got this insane ability, this incredible, unique voice. And what I want you to do is I want you to use music as your escape. So if you feel like you're not good enough, put that energy into singing about it. I know that might sound a little bit strange, but you know, use energy as a way to release all that negative emotion, you know, and start to build up that confidence and that belief in yourself. And the only reason I say that is because I can relate to it. You know, if I'm feeling down, I sing about it, and then I don't feel so bad by the time I finished. I don't feel so worthless about myself. I feel like I can, I got something to give. And that's why I want you to realise that you do have something to give, especially in this competition. So that's what I want you to take away from this week, is that to just ease up on yourself a little bit, you know, and stop pushing yourself so hard, you know, that you push yourself in the wrong direction. I mean, it was a lovely performance. Well done.
Yeah, Cerys, you definitely lost a little bit of your spark this week, and I get there's probably a few reasons, you know, just general life, you know, like things, we're all in lockdown and we all have different things going on in our life, but you've got to always keep focused on, you put yourself into this talent competition online, you've had nothing but incredible comments so far. We think you were something really, really special. And to see somebody like that, especially at a point where they like, you know, not fully themselves, that's gutting for us to see. It's gutting for me to see, because we want to see you shine like we know you can shine. So I want you to take on board, you know, no matter what you're going through in life and what you're dealing with, you are in this and you could go all the way to the end of this. But you're not going to go all the way to the end of this if you let yourself drop, you know. So you've got to come out next week and you've got to say, do you know what? No, I've got to give 100% into my performance, how I present myself, and my vocals. You've got to put in that work no matter what. And like Kelly picked up, if you've got something that you're feeling that's putting you down or making you feel down or whatever, so use that as a way for this music to come out, you know, express how you feel through it. Don't shy away from it and just cut off, because that's not the right way. If you want to shine and you want to stand out in this, you got to come out and own it no matter what. All right, so just bring it. That's all you got to do. Next week, bring it. Well done.